Hello superstars and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make huge amounts of money from this. And do you know the most interesting part about this? You're not going to be using any investment, you're not going to be using any startup capital, because everything you're doing here is free. But what you just need is your time, internet, and your Google Chrome, and that's what you just need. You're not gonna invest any money, you're not gonna start up with any capital. Now if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that anytime I post videos you are going to see them in your YouTube channel homepage. Okay, you're going to see my videos, and also turn on the notification bell so when I post video you will get notified. Please, if you have subscribed, thank you for doing that, and also like this video. Let me know what you think about this video. The camera is bad, the audio is bad, let me know down there in the comment section. If you have done that, thanks for doing that, and let's dive into the video. Okay, so just follow these steps right now. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to on your internet. Just follow this step before jumping into what I have for you. So on your internet, go over to Chrome, but do not leave this video yet. Yeah, it's Naira Workers, but do not leave the video yet. I want to show you something, like it's an update on Naira Workers. Okay, just follow me. There's a link down there in the description box. Use my link to sign up for Naira Workers for free. And once you sign up for Naira Workers, it's going to bring you over to something like this, whereby you have to verify your email. It's not that necessary to verify your email right now, but when it's time for your payments, you have to verify your email. Now, once you've verified your email, this is a new account I just created, and once you've verified your email, what's the next step you have to do? You want to start earning. Now, you're going to click on the stop button right here. That's the button you're going to be clicking on. Okay, so once I click on, it's going to show me something. I'm going to be clicking on available jobs. Okay, available jobs. Keep on watching. I'm going to show you something you really don't know about this platform called Naira Workers. Okay, let's just wait for it. Okay, now these are the tasks, but do not leave, because all these tasks are small tasks, like 8 Naira tasks, 7 Naira tasks, 13 Naira tasks. But how will this task make you money? No, we are not going to be working with this task. You're going to click on this part where it says highest paying. Okay, that's what you're going to be clicking on. And once I click on highest paying, okay, it's going to be bringing me over to somewhere like this. Now what am I going to be clicking on? I'm going to click on any of the job I want. As you can see, this other job is paying 400 naira, this one is paying 297 naira, this one is paying 230 naira, and there are also lot of jobs right here. I hope you're seeing the one of 200 naira, 118 naira, 114 naira, 120 naira. So what you just have to do is just to sign up for free using my referral link, and come over here, click on the highest paying job, and start performing this job task. Like, spend the rest of your day for today performing this task, so that once you get paid into your account. And that's how this works, for free, cool and easy. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and we're looking forward to seeing you in our next video.